Hey guys, uh, today I'm gonna show you how I made this pair of earrings. They're super easy to make and they're very pretty and very fast. Obviously you can use different color seed beads or obviously different colors of super duo. I made it like this because it was just easier. Materials you will need, I'm using this type of super duo from Preciosa. They're the simple ones, and I'm using this seed beads like they're I don't have the name for them, but they're like metallic turquoise. Obviously you need the clasp for the earring and you need thread. Okay, so after you put the thread on your needle, you will pick up 8 super duos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You will pull them down on the thread and you can make a nice knot here. I make it 3 times so that it's resistant. Now we have this. We need to pass with the thread because we're on the down lane of the super duo, so we just need to go up 1. Now we're just going to pick up 1 11 seed bead and we're going to go with 1 seed bead all around on the top part of the super duo, just like this. Just go all around with 1. When you're at the last one, you're going to go through the super duo and through the seed bead. And we have this. Now we're going to pick up 5 seed beads, same color or different color, whatever. I'm just going to use the same color. So we're going to pick up 5 seed beads. Hopefully it's visible that there are 5. Okay, and I'm going to pass through the next seed bead. Again, 5 seed beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pass through the next one. And this is what we're going to do all the way around. I'm at my last round of 5 seed beads. I'm going to pass through this one here, the one down. I'm going to pull, and then I'm going to go up through the next 3. Seed beads, and I'm gonna pull the thread. So we have to come out from the top of the third of the 5 seed beads. Now we're going to pick up 3 super duos. And we're just going to go through the next sticking out seed bead. No need to extra arrange them because they will fit nicely at the end. So 1, 2, 3 super duos, and I'm going to go through the next seed bead, next sticking out seed bead. So you're going to go like this all the way around with adding 3 super duos in each space. I'm at my last round of adding 3 super duos. I'm gonna go through the seed bead and only through the first super duo, like this, so that I'm coming out of a super duo on the bottom part. Now I'm just going to go on the top, like this. So now I'm on the top part. I'm going to turn my work because I like working in that direction. We're gonna pick one seed bead and we're just going to do like we did a second row. We're going to go with one seed bead in between each of the super duos. This is how they will be nicely arranged. That's why, because now they don't stay very nicely. So you just go with one bead in between each of the super duos, and you do this all the way around. I'm at my last seed bead. I cut my dangling thread in the meanwhile, and I'm going to go through the top of the super duo, and I'm also going to pass through the next seed bead. So this is what I have so far. Now we're going to pick up 5 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to go through this one seed bead, one duo, and another seed bead, like this. And we pull the thread. Again, 5 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go through the next seed bead, next super duo, and next seed bead. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seed beads. I'm going to go through the next seed bead, the super duo, and the next seed bead. This is what I have, and we're going to do this all the way around. Now I finished all the row. I have my last one, round of 5 to put up. I'm going to go again through the 3 seed bead, super duo seed bead, but now I have to make the place for the clasp. So I'm going to go, after I pass through these 3, I'm going to go up on through these 3 seed beads so that I reach the top. Now I'm going to pick up 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm exiting through this, and I'm going to go through this so that it's a circle. I would want to put 4 and not 5 because the clasp, the metal part, can easily come on the thread. If it's 5, it will get tangled on the 5th bead. So I rather use 4. You can use 6, but it's best because it goes better this way. And now after you made this 4, you just strengthen it, so you pass through these 5 multiple times, so you're sure that it's resistant and it will not break. And at the end, so I'm gonna pass through one more time like this, and at the end I just make a knot on this side, 1, maybe 2 or 3, just to be sure, like this. I'm going to go through these 2, and I'm going to cut the thread, obviously burn the little tail, and now we can put the clasp on. this. This is the front. Where is more ugly, it's the back. So the front always. The part that you don't like, you put on this side. So you hold it like this. Oh, this is the part I don't like. Okay, this is going to be the back. So just put it in like this. Tighten it. And that's it. You see how nice it goes in between. If it was 5, then the bead here would just go in the way. And that's it. Super easy. Have fun, enjoy, and let me know if you want more stuff.